Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and firmware compatibility. Secure boot plus TPM2. 0. Once done, back up current keys and create a recovery USB so you can roll back if needed. Next, update your BIOS to the latest vendor version to avoid firmware bugs. Then download the Bf6 specific signing utilities and place them on a trusted partition. I'll show you why each step prevents unsigned code from running, and how these tools let the game boot under a locked, verified chain. Now you generate keys and sign the game boot components. First, create a platform key and signing key with strong passphrases, because firmware trusts those keys. Then sign the Bf6 bootloader and kernel modules and verify each signature locally so you don't lock yourself out with a bad file. After verification, import keys to the firmware in the proper order: PK, KEK, then DB, and switch enforcement on. Make sure to document passphrases and keep the recovery USB handy for rollback if something fails. Finalize by rebooting to confirm secure boot is active and Bf6 launches without unsigned module errors. If the game or system refuses to boot, immediately use your recovery USB to restore prior keys and firmware settings to regain access. Check firmware and bootloader logs to identify whether a missing signature or wrong key ordering caused the failure. Once identified, correct the key or re-sign the offending component, import the corrected key set, and test again. This prevents repeated lockouts and keeps your system verifiable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.